Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Friday, the 5th of December 2014. And starting off with a 5-minute chart so we can see when the market opened during Thursday afternoon session. The market showed some indecision. We saw the market finding support at 17,850 pre-market and then trading up to the daily pivot where it found resistance. We can see the buying there followed by the selling, and then the market being pushed through the 17,850, trying to find support in this bar here, but then eventually moving lower. The market being tested by the pros and eventually down to the support 2 there, where the market then tried to move higher and retested before we actually got a PTP followed by a triple X. So this is before the news during yesterday's session before the ECB announcement. I don't know if any of you saw it, but the ECB have threatened to come up with a plan to print more money in January to try and stimulate the Eurozone, which is foolhardy, absolute waste of money and a burden for future taxpayers as well. But they're going to try everything to try and keep the financial system intact and, of course, the corrupt banks as well. However, that aside, we can see that the market started to move higher way before the news item, and then this is the reaction here which you see. So had you have already been long, you would have been able to take advantage of this if you'd have stayed in. If not, then you would have been looking for around 40 to 50 points, but anybody that forgot the news was out and stayed with the trade, then up to the high there was a 100-point move during yesterday here. Now what's important is that you can see the professional buying bar there going up to the resistance and the high of the previous day, and we've seen in the market alert all week that the high, close and low have been of the previous day has been creating a problem for this market. And for those of eagle-eyed amongst you, you will see that the selling started here. You can see the higher volume than the buying bar, so we know that this move has stopped for the time being. And as I said in the tutorial videos, if you take a 0% and draw this across, the high of a professional selling bar is crucial. You see there the market failing to trade back through this. We then see the low of a telegraph pole. Once the market closes below, you see the prices moving lower. We then see another professional selling bar, big volume here as well, prices moving lower, and then the market finds support at the daily pivot. And the reason it finds support here is if you look across to the left, you can see that this is where the buying came in and drove the market higher. However, the market fails to respond to the testing, and we get a sell PTP, which we see the market move lower straight down to the psychological level of 17,850 there. So once again the market finding support in this area, and if I just mark up the trade there, you can see there's more than the 20 pips on the table. It's great when the market puts in professional selling through the scalp area, but then you see the buying coming in at this area here, and then we see the support being followed through with new professional buying and the market moving back. We do get a buy signal there. It's late on in the session. It's not one that I traded too late. It's about 8:45 when this one appeared, if I remember correctly, 20:45, and you still see the market moving up there, but a very good day making up for the previous day when the market was rather lackluster. So again, as I've always said with trading, if you continue enough, you will get the trades that you want, which will make up any small losses and then give you the profits as well. The key to it is to keep going. So in the daily chart, you can see we've got a telegraph pole for yesterday, high volume as well. So we want to see the market stay above the low of this telegraph bar at 17,807. Didn't quite get to the 18,000 I thought we might have done yesterday, 17,934. So again, we're looking around 66 points now from that to the 18,000 psychological level there. And today on the news front, very busy day today. 1:30 we've got the biggest news item of the month, really, I suppose, the non-farm payroll employment numbers, and trade balance figures also out at 1:30, 1:45. What have we got at 3 p.m? Factory orders there showing a slight improvement, if you can call an improvement, from minus 0.6 to 0.0, an improvement, but that's what's forecast. And then Fisher is going to speak at 7:45, hopefully by which we will all had enough trades to call it a day before he speaks. And finally, on the implied volatility front, we see a small drop for yesterday in both the 701 for the historic volatility. It's certainly fallen off a cliff, heading back down towards that 565 all-time low. 7.9, as I keep going on about, for the implied. We're a bit away for that just at the moment, but anything below 10% is a catalyst for a correction in the market. Okay, that's it from me for today and also for the week. Have a great weekend. As ever, thank you for your support, very much appreciated. I will see you on Monday. As ever, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.